In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Alexa button in Amazon Music on iPhone. If the Alexa button is missing, hidden, or not working the way you expect inside the Amazon Music app, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few moments by checking a few settings in the app and making sure the right permissions are turned on. Start by opening the Amazon Music app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile icon and tap on it. From there, go into Settings. This is where Amazon Music keeps the Alexa-related options you'll need. Inside Settings, find the Alexa Settings section. In that area, turn on the option called Show Alexa button. This is the setting that makes the Alexa control appear in the app, so if it's disabled, the button may be completely missing. While you're here, you can also turn on Hands-Free with Alexa. This allows Alexa to listen for voice commands while the Amazon Music app is open and active in the foreground, so you may not need to tap the button each time before speaking. That can make music control much faster and more convenient, especially if you're using the app while exercising, cooking, or driving with hands-free access set up safely. If a prompt appears asking for microphone access, make sure you allow it. This is very important because Alexa needs microphone permission in order to appear and function properly. If microphone access is denied, the Alexa feature may not show up at all, or it may appear but not respond when you try to use it. Once everything is enabled, you can start using voice commands in Amazon Music. For example, you can say, "Play my workout playlist," "Play Taylor Swift," or "Skip this song." These kinds of commands make it easy to control playback without manually tapping through the app. One thing to keep in mind is that depending on your version of Amazon Music, the Alexa feature may not always look exactly the same. In some versions, instead of a button labeled Alexa, you may see a small A icon. That's normal, and it still represents the Alexa feature. After these settings are turned on, the Alexa option should be available and ready to use. If it still doesn't appear, double-check that the app has microphone access and that the Alexa settings remain enabled. With that done, you should be able to control your music more easily using just your voice.